Hi, today in front of me Infinix Zero Ultra, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct. We just unlocked the device less than in 1 second. This is the good result. Just to unlock the device, you shouldn't just simply touch it. You should just hold it for a while, and after that you can correct unlock your smartphone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.